In this video, I will show you how to create another Instagram account. Now, if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to open another Instagram account. And on your home screen, you need first to come to this bottom right corner and click this icon with your profile picture. This will take you to your profile where you need to click your name above here to have this pop-up screen. You can also click this three-line menu to go to settings, then scroll down to this login section and click this option, add or switch accounts. And if you want to add a professional account, you need to come to this account section under settings, then scroll down to add a new professional account. Now on this pop-up screen, you need to click this option with plus icon, add account, then choose to create a new account. And on this next screen, you need to enter your username, then create a password. And after this, you'll have this next screen where you can allow Instagram to add the email and phone number from your other account to your new account. But you can also add a new email and phone number. And after this, you can go on to complete the process of creating your new account. And you can first find friends on Facebook to follow, then go on to add a profile photo. And you can also share the photo as a post. Now, after this, you will have your account ready, but you can go to your profile to add your name and bio and other things like pronouns and website. And below here, you can go to the personal information settings and edit things like email address, phone number, gender, and date of birth. And you can also switch your account to a professional one. And if you go to the main settings on the account section, you can make some more settings for your account. You can make some privacy and security settings like turning your account private and performing the two-factor authentication. And below here, you can always switch to another account or log out all your accounts. And to delete your account, you need to come to this help section, then click help center and follow instructions on how to delete your account. You can also check out this video link on how to delete Instagram account, and the link is also available in the description. Now, this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.